Hi, my name is Divya. I've recently graduated from B.TECH Engineering College in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. Right after my graduation, I came to JSpiders for learning full stack development. Since my senior suggested me this institute, I chose this institute mainly because of its discipline teaching. After coming here, I've learned some technical languages like SQL, which was taught by Pallavi ma'am, then Red Technologies, which was taught by Nimraj sir, and Java by Vivek sir, and Advanced Java by Radha ma'am. After learning all these technologies, later on I've gone through some programming classes as well, which was taken by Pawan sir, and they also provided me with presentation classes as well as the acting classes, which helped me in grooming myself and also for improving my communication skills and my logical thinking as well. Later on, I also built some projects using all these technologies, and I started attending some interviews